Another 3-bedroom on 10-acre, close to healthcare options, shopping.
It's perfect, and I love it because it's got extra space upstairs.
Check out this feature wall. There's lots of little extras in this home. In this living room, you've got lots of natural light flowing from windows all around. This right-sized kitchen is perfect.
Three-bed, 2-bath split floor plan is perfect for a family. And see, more added details. Right into the bathroom with updated shower. Added magical space for whatever your heart desires. The kids, office, crafts. So for more information, look in that description below. I've got the listing link there for you.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, for more deals like these.
See you in the bloopers. It's really light, it's just
Cumbersome.
yeah, and I couldn't do it by myself.
A lot of great extras in the home. Fudge! I can't hear you.